TV Channel 15, DWJK TV Channel 15, a commercial television station with 80 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Tagalog Television Channel 15 Network Incorporated with primary number BSD-1557/2004 REN, issued by the National Television Commission until December 21, 2010. Tagalog TV Channel 15 transmitter is located at 762 Reno Highway, San Bartolome, Maliches, Quezon City. Tagalog TV 15 Studio Complex is located at Reliant ST Barangay Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. Tagalog TV 15 operates with a transmitted power of 75 kilowatts. Tagalog TV is maintained by the following personnel journalists by the National Television Commission and Professional Regulations Commission: Arnel Acosta, 97, 1 PNCR 2453, Leonel Cadena, 56, 1 PHN 5367, Melvin Len, 74, 1 PNCR 3559, Margarito Gabriel, ECN number 6778, Jose Agravante, ECN number 2555, from Aquino, ECN number 7839. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is DDTV Channel 15, now signing off.